That Border Patrol agent accused of starting the 47,000-acre sawmill fire last year after a gender reveal party stunt will pay $220,000 in restitution. 37-year-old Dennis Dickey pleaded guilty today. According to the Daily Star, he will make an initial payment of $100,000 and $500 a month payments for 20 years. Dickey admitted he shot a target filled with the explosive substance tannerite. When the target exploded, it spread to nearby grass, sparking that $8 million fire.